Hello everyone. To register on the Government of India's attendance portal, you first need to keep some basic information ready. This includes your subdomain, employee name, date of birth, gender, Aadhaar number, email ID, mobile number, employee type, division or office name, designation, office location, organization details, and a passport size photograph under 150 kilobytes. Now let's talk about the website. The main attendance domain is attendance.gov.in. However, each state and organization has its own subdomain. For example, for the Chhattisgarh Forest Department, the website is cgforest.attendance.gov.in. Like, share and subscribe. Let's begin the registration process. First, open your browser and enter the website address. Once the dashboard opens, click on the user registration, enter your name, date of birth, gender, and Aadhaar number. Make sure your Aadhaar details match exactly. Next, enter your email ID and mobile number, then click Next. Select your employee type, government or non-government. Choose your designation and office location. If you have an employee ID, enter it. Now upload your passport size photo, under 150 kilobytes. Enter the CAPTCHA, tick the consent box, and click Submit. If everything is correct, your attendance ID will be generated. Save this ID carefully, as you will need it for marking attendance. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe for more videos.